You can use like rotten wood's real soft. Just kind of rub it on there. It really does a good job. There we go. Yeah, I think it's 1912, I believe. Well, that's a good sign. Let me show you what we got going on here. There's an old well. This is this old house place right here in the middle of the jungle. Big old tree where maybe they had a swing or something, or other things. You know what I mean? Show you this cellar hole. Yeah, y'all ain't gonna be able to see much as far as what's going on, but so green. There's a cellar hole over here. We're gonna poke around, see what we can dig up. Alrighty, guys.
Look at that, dude. Look at that.
Here's that.
Trying to look at this here coin.
Look.
Look at that coin.
Gonna eat it.
Better watch it move.
I think it's Indian. We haven't cleaned it up or nothing. It just rolled out of the dirt just like that. It's not an Indian.
What is it? A memorial?
No. I wouldn't doubt it. We thought it was going to be an Indian. It's just a wheat cent.
No, okay, okay.
Alright. What is that? Any ideas? It's a little bit different.
Kind of a gear for some kind of machinery. Unless it was a bigger grinder.
Yeah, I don't know.
You know, like a wheat grinder.
Yeah,
or,
like a wheat grinder.
I don't know, something to hang on to.
Yeah, I'll throw it in the truck. It's a piece to a clock, that's what it is.
Part of the watch.
Yeah. Wind up watch. Train button. That's a pretty good. That's in pretty good shape. Really good shape. Cool. It's stuck in there. The camera's stuck. There we go. Anyway, not sure on the bullet. Can't really tell. Haven't seen one quite like this one. So kind of looks modern, but if it's anything special, I'll let you know. Bullet casing with a stick in it. Actually, I'm starting to find these quite regular, and I think we decided that maybe it was a mountain man pencil. Hey, look at that. It is a pencil inside that thing. I always just thought it was a stick.
Pencil.
Yeah.
There sure is.
Remember all them bullet casings we'd find with a stick stuck in them?
Yeah.
And we'd always wonder what they were because always charred, and then that it was maybe a mountain man pencil. They'd dip it in, they'd burn the end and they'd keep it in here to the right. Yeah. And that's an actual pencil. So
This one's got lead in it.
yeah, it's got some lead in it. That's pretty cool. Well, I believe we guessed right then. Yeah, bent square now. I bet that sounded like a coin.
Yeah, that was from the 70s.
Yeah, we'll keep that. I found a golden chain right here.
Golden what?
A gold chain. Except it ain't gold. Interesting though. Come through the brush.
The jungle.
Golly.
You think that's what it is?
Itty bitty. Like for the underwear?
Yeah, they're like their stockings and stuff. No, I could be wrong.
No.
I ain't that old. You know, pretty old, but not that old.
He probably made that thing.
You reckon?
It was silver plated once, so yeah, I bet that's what it was. Little bitty. Itty bitty. How deep was it? That way you kind of know how deep we need to. 4 inches,
Yeah,
maybe?
about right in there where my finger's at. So it's probably around 4 inches. Try to keep it anyway.
Well, if we're lucky, we'll pull something old out of here. Or good, old. Like maybe a Indian dime or something. Indian quarter, Indian dime or something. Indian penny. Hey, I think I found another piece of your underwear. Or something. Kind of itty bitty like that.
Yeah. That's the deal that clamps down on the hose.
Okay.
Velvet grip. Something like that.
Velvet.
I think it's velvet.
Brand name, some
Velvet grip. You need a velvet grip, that's what you need.
sort. Cool. Oh, there comes the wind again. Hey, it's always neat when you can pull the shovel up out of the dirt like that. Whoop, there it goes. And your what you're digging just lands right on top of the dirt pile. And that appears to be a button. It's one part of a 2-piece button. Cool. Let me clean it up a little better. You can use like rotten wood. It's real soft. Just kind of rub it on there. It really does a good job. There we go. Our wheeler. I guess that's a wheel on there. That's the first one for me. Cool. Yeah, man. How you liking that little coil now? Silver plated, yeah. That's pretty neat. All right, just a minute. Let me show this right here and then I'll go look at the buckle. Anyway, that looks like a big coin, don't it? Do what? Oh, yeah. A large cent.
Oh yeah, I wish.
I don't know, I just pulled it out of the hole. Just a lid, I guess, ain't it?
I guess, yeah.
Any writing on it? Makeup lid, I guess.
Yeah, it might be. See that design?
Oh yeah. Those got a design on
I've
it.
been finding a lot of this stuff here.
Yeah, I've been digging up a little bit of that. Alright, so it's just a makeup lid.
I think so. Oop. Pittsburgh stick there.
Cool.
That's probably what it was.
This is kind of weird, but there was another one of those wheeler buttons. And it wasn't even buried. It was just under the dirt about a ½ inch. Interesting. Cool. See, here is a button, and I think it's flat. I guess that's a flat button then. I guess I need to look it up. I don't know a button's really good. But yeah, has a little shank on the back. Huh. Cool.
I think the rest of it's down in there, but I ain't digging for it.
Yeah.
Pretty well gone, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, that's
You found them today?
yeah. I was gonna say, how many more pocket knives can there be on this place? Alright, so I found that makeup lid here, and right next to it was this, and I'm not sure. It was given about a button signal, but now that I picked it up, I'm not sure what that is. Not sure what it is. Oh, that's a shotgun shell. Oh well. Is that a flat button?
Nah. If I hadn't rechecked the hole, I'd have missed it.
That's a lot better than my button.
Think that's what it is?
Mm-hmm. Let's see. It'll say something in there. You probably want to pick it out with something else other than.
It was laying right there after I got that other deal out of there. If I hadn't rechecked it, I'd have missed it.
Huh.
That's how blind I am.
Well, good. Alright guys, we've been digging up a bunch of stuff today. A bunch of buttons. And Mountain Man's getting tired, so we're gonna head out of here. But anyway, I'm gonna film this last little deal. No little button. Roundhouse. I just found one just like it. Just 10 feet from here. Yeah, so you can still see the design on that one. That's pretty nice. Well, until next time, guys.